Looking for a big adventure bike that doesn't feel too big? The 2026 Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L strikes that sweet spot between off-road grit and long-distance comfort, and this year's model just got even better. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're taking a closer look at Honda's latest evolution of its Go-Anywhere twin. Design. Visually, the 2026 Africa Twin stays true to its rugged rally-inspired roots. The tall stance, sharp fairings, and signature dual headlights are all here, but Honda has refined the bodywork with better wind deflection and slightly more aggressive lines. It looks ready for Dakar, and it kind of is. This year also introduces new color options and a more ergonomic seat that offers improved comfort without sacrificing off-road maneuverability. Performance. Powering the Africa Twin is the familiar 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for broad, usable torque and smooth delivery, whether you're crawling through sand or cruising at highway speeds. Honda has made subtle improvements to throttle response, especially at lower RPMs, giving it a more connected feel in technical terrain. You can still choose between the standard 6-speed manual or Honda's DCT, dual-clutch transmission, which continues to be a standout for riders who want seamless shifting on the trail or tarmac. Features and technology. Technology is where the 2026 model really steps up. A brighter 6.5-inch touchscreen TFT now features enhanced Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and improved navigation. Cruise control, cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control all come standard. Plus, selectable ride modes let you tailor the bike for road, off-road, or anything in between. Off-road specific updates include refined suspension settings and a more responsive IMU, inertial measurement unit, for smoother input control. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L proves that adventure doesn't have to come with compromises. It's smart, capable, and still one of the most well-balanced big ADV bikes out there. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, share your questions or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, rider-focused content every week. Until next time, ride far, ride free.